Hi, this is three of the forges that we build at Greystone Forge. This is actually at the Blacksmithing Festival at Exeter, West Point. The first forge we got is the small portable one that we use. Ferocious little forge, gets up to welding temperature in no time. It comes with or without wheels. The next forge we have is the 24 by 27, one you see in the middle. This one's a good all-round forge suitable for farriers, blacksmiths, and even if you want to try a bit of blacksmithing in your spare time. The next one, the larger one of the three, this one's 27 by 30. As you can see there, it's going very well. Very good for forge welding, as you see in this video. The competitors at the festival spoke very well of this forge, very easy to use, easy to control, and a good all-round forge. If you have any queries, you can always phone on 01460 221 031.